everyone, this is Cindy Create the Heart, and today I'm here to share my, what is this? This is the altered book, Christmas style, that I did as part of a swap with Jan's Creative Life or Crazy Life. And so I'm actually trying to figure out who made my album. So it's going to be kind of a surprise. Let me go ahead and go into the goodies. So I'm thinking that the goodies will say who it's from. So let me set this aside for right now because I just got it. So it came with this bag. So I don't know. It came with this bag. This cute clip with some printouts there. And oh, this is from Jan. She gave me money for extra shipping. So that's from Jan. She sent me a card with some cut-aparts and then some cash in it for my extra shipping. So that's cool. I'm like, wow, why is there money in here? It's odd. And these are some other things that came in the package. Oh, it's Donna, powered by creativity. Yay, I got Donna's. So did I watch her? I must not have watched her video. I don't know if I missed her video. But it came with these little clips. Very cute. It's her son has, I guess, a new kind of a printable company. So it also came with this very cute pouch which matches. So I don't know if she sewed this or not. I'm gonna have to watch and see if she did or not. She did. It's super cool because I don't know, did she? Super cool because it actually really matches the fabric that she used for her album. So it's really cute. She did because I really like it. It has a cute little bow and just some little bits and pieces, which are really fun to use. And I'll link to Donna's channel so you could check her out. And then this really cute, I feel bad because I didn't include a lot of stuff in my album because I was just so exhausted from making the darn thing that I just couldn't even imagine adding more stuff. So I'm very sorry. Happy Ella After got my album. I hope she likes it because I didn't include a little extras in it like some people include just really fun things in theirs, and I didn't. I was exhausted from making that thing. But some cute little cut-aparts and things are in here that she included, which is very, very sweet. Okay, so let's get into the album. Set this aside here so I can show you the album. So here is her album, and she covered it with trim, and she has this big bow here, and the back, really interesting. Kind of it feels like a mesh. So I don't know if she put a mesh over the fabric. I'm thinking that must be what she did. So I try not to watch too many of the reveals because I want it to be a surprise. So she has a ribbon closure. And so when you open it up, yeah, that's what she did. She put like a mesh over the fabric. So I think she made that pouch, which is awesome. And I love that. She stitched that on there. There's a pocket right here. And she's got some little mats here. And then there's an envelope with some stickers or some little cut-aparts, I think they must be. And then some little shaker bits, some sequins right there. And then we've got this page right here. And so she's got, oh yeah, so she's got a cut-apart in here, or like a mat or journal spot. And then, yeah, this doesn't come out. I don't know. So that's in here. It's a pocket. And then here she's got like a journaling spot. And then another little tuck here with envelope with the numbers. So if you want to use this as a daily, then you could put your numbers in there, which is very cool. And then here, this is cute. She's got like a little wallet, snap wallet here. Very cool. right in there. And then some tuck here. And then here we've got a little tuck spot as well with, this is sealed with washi. So it's so funny because when you don't know what you're getting, it's like a real surprise. Oh, there's little tags in here. Warm wishes and holiday kisses, and 'tis the season. So cute little tags. It fits right in there. And then in here, she's got a card. It's here, and she's got this cute paper right in here. This one's not. And then this one folds out. Cute paper. And then we've got this, and then I don't know if some are pockets or some are not. Some little cards here. And then this. And so we've got, so she did a lot of sewing, which is really cool. And then this little card here, a little spot. Some sewing. And then a tab. Well, this folds up. And we've got this here. And then this is a card. Or like a mat. You could use it as a mat. And then we have this. This is really cool. I like this idea. There's that. This one's really pretty. So it tucks in like that. And then we've got a side pocket, another envelope, and this one has the rest of the numbers. Do like that side pocket. And then here, we have like double pockets. So we've got washi, and we have some tags in here in this pocket. And then here, it flips up, and you've got lots of spots there. And then here, we have a mat. And then here, a pocket. And then here we've got a little double pocket. So it's a little spot here. And then there's some stickers that are here. And then we've got some more stitching. Oh, this is a real cool stitch. Very cool stitch. There's that. And then here we've got some little pieces. Looks like you make maybe a flower with that. And then in here, I'm getting the hang of it. Anything with a tab, there's a pocket. And there's some stuff inside. So these are some mats. And I'll link to the album that I made as well, so you guys can see that too if you guys missed that one. Because I made, mine's a gingerbread album, and Happily Ella After, I think, got that album. So I hope she likes it. She said she did, so I hope she did. Because that sucker was a labor of love. That's why there's no extras, Ella. I was exhausted. And so, very cool. So she did a lot of stitching in this album, which is really neat. I love the vellum. Very pretty. It looks like she stamped that vellum, so very cute. And then in here, something if it, so there's like a card in here. Dig it out. Card. And here we've got a shaker up here. And more stitching, lots of stitching. Card here. And so my album, I tried really hard not to make it too fat. It was hard. This piece, we've got a belly band. And really cool. I do like all the stitching. It's very cool. And then this, a little booklet, which is really, really cute. And Never Let Anyone Dull Your Sparkle. And card here. She made a pocket out of it, which is really cool. And a gold card. And then this is really, really cool. So how she stitched this on there, really pretty fabric. And that's the album. Thank you, Donna. This is awesome albums. Beautiful. So anyway, that is the album that I received in the swap. And I will link to my album as well as Jan's channel. So you want to check that out because she does do various swaps and things like that. So if that's something that you might be interested in trying out, make sure you check out her channel at Jan's Crazy Life. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Create the Heart.